So Duncan Haimba there reporting, like I mentioned, our reporter Hussein Mohammed has been keeping an eye on that particular story. We've had a team since yesterday in the evening. What we do know is that earlier this evening, Raila Odinga visited Jimi Wanjigi's home in Muthaiga and asked the police officers to leave. Those are pictures that we had for you when he was there. Remember, Justice Chacha Mwita ordered the police to stop trespassing on his home. Jimi Wanjigi actually managed to get a court order prohibiting and preventing police from arresting him pending further direction from the court. And we listened in to Siaya Senator, who's also a senior counsel, James Orengo, making it very clear that the continued stay of the police at Jimi Wanjigi's home is an act of trespass. NASA leader, like I mentioned, Raila Odinga visited that particular home. The businessman is being sought by the police. We are actually not even sure of his whereabouts. We are not sure of his whereabouts right now. Those are live pictures coming from Jimi Wanjigi's home here in Nairobi. NASA leader Raila Odinga currently at the home of Jimi Wanjigi. Remember, that home has been under the control of the police since yesterday evening. They went in looking for the businessman, raiding his house. As a matter of fact, today, our Sophia Wanuna was keeping an eye on what was happening in that home. There seems to be a little bit of a confrontation. If we could listen in, I'm hoping so. Probably just talking to the security officials on the ground and asking them to leave. I understand those are the lawyers, really, who have been in that home alongside the businessman. Like we mentioned, the police have been in that particular home since yesterday evening. They we're not actually quite sure whether or not they're still there. Could we listen in?
This is basically telling you not to trespass unless you have another order behind it. I'm just saying, order was already served on your. So you're not here, is it?
Actually, you told me, and I said there was a lawyer in his office even up to 8.
I told you, let us go together. No, I'm saying, but apparently, the law you've seen this is a court order. It's not a project. Okay? This is, I mean, you are an officer who is trained. You've been served your court order. Okay? You know, what law are you now following? Unless you're not going for the rule of jungle.
No, it's not good. I have my instructions. And they're very clear.
No,
the order to the
no, but the IG has already been served.
Yes.
No, he hasn't.
He has been served.
He
has been served.
If he had been served, I would have been informed.
He has been served.
Because we have a change.
In fact, the lawyer who served him is even outside here.
No.
He's here. The lawyer went in person.
Yes. We have a chain of command, which is very clear. My boss has no reason to be served with something and then he leaves me out here to get what's up.
But then allow Honorable Orengo to come in.
Already here, I'm told they have posted many things on the...
But whatever is posted is not a name. But at least you cannot refuse a lawyer to come in. Okay? Okay? Are you okay then?
So far our instructions are not to allow
But then which law are you now enforcing? How can you refuse somebody to come in at somebody's private property? And this is also, this thing says you should not trespass here.
Already it's an active crime.
Huh?
Please.
Huh? If you have a detention order, show it.
No, we don't have a detention order.
Under what law are you acting? Because this one is just telling you to restraining you from trespassing, breaking into, entering, and in any way interfering with the private residence of the applicant without court order, warrant for that purpose, until further orders of this court. So this is very clear. You're now trespassing. Huh? You're broken into. You entered into.
Can I take this? Huh? Excuse me, please. So, namna hiyo, right honorable. We just respect you, but I respectfully beg to withdraw.
You want to withdraw?
From no, we cannot continue this conversation, please.
I'm just saying, I'm feeling ashamed that we have gone to this level. I feel really very ashamed and embarrassed because you're now operating outside the law. You know, completely operating outside the law. And that now means that every citizen outside there is entitled to break the law if the police officers themselves are the ones who are breaking the law. Under the orders of IG.